Hello, my name is Vincent and I welcome you to our YouTube channel. At My Finance Wellness, we educate and empower you on various aspects of personal and business finance. This helps in making informed and effective money-related decisions. In an earlier video, I've spoken about checking your financial health using our quick financial health assessment tool. If you have not yet taken, I personally recommend you to take one before watching this video. The link for the same is given in the description below. In the quick financial health report, you would have noticed important financial wellness ratios. In this video, let's understand about health insurance. With the constant increasing prices of healthcare in our country and with the ever-rising instances of diseases, health insurance is a necessity. Health insurance provides people with much needed financial backup at times of medical emergencies. Health risks and uncertainties are going to be part of our life. We cannot plan and get sick, but we can certainly be prepared for the financial aspect. One of the ways to be financially prepared against uncertain health risk is by getting an adequate health insurance. Health insurance is a type of insurance coverage that pays for medical expenses incurred by the insured. Health insurance can reimburse the insured for expenses incurred from illness or injury or pay the care provided directly. While there are numerous medical insurance schemes launched by the government, ideally they are meant for the weaker sections of our society. For people like you and me, currently, there are about 30 insurance companies that offer health insurance products. Health insurance provides people like you and me a financial backup at times of medical emergencies. It is observed that till date, medical care in our country remains largely an expensive affair. According to various reports, India continues to have the lowest health insurance uptake or penetration in the world. There are different types of health insurance plan like individual, family floater, senior citizen, group health insurance, etc. In this video, we shall focus on health insurance in general. When we talk about health insurance to general group of people, for example, salaried individuals, the immediate answer is they have the group medical insurance from the company, in other words, GMC. Let me explain in detail. GMC stands for Group Medical Coverage, which is a health insurance plan offered to employees of a company. Benefits offered will be same to all the members or all the employees of a company. Regardless of health risk factors of the employees in the organization, the same amount and same benefits are offered to all the employees. According to Benefit Trends Survey, only 44% of Indian companies offer group health cover as an employee benefit. This means remaining 56% companies do not offer group health insurance. Any health emergency can lead to a massive financial stress without health insurance. It is a good practice to consider a personal health insurance plan over and above the group medical insurance coverage. The reason I'm saying this is because your employer's health insurance plan will not let you carry forward the benefits when you leave the organization and move to another company. Most companies offer group health insurance plan for an average coverage of 2 lakhs, but considering the rising cost of medical services, it is not enough. Let's see some health related facts. The data from last National Sample Survey NSS on health conducted in 2017-18 show that the public health system caters to the needs of less than a third of the population. The rest depend on private medical care. Taking hospitalization and non-hospitalization cases together, about 66% of India's population got treatment from a private hospital or clinic. One of the most common critical illnesses in India is cancer. The treatment of cancer is emotionally and financially challenging. Treatment expenditure involves frequent doctor visits, chemotherapy, medicine cost, and pre and post hospitalization expenses. A single medicine can cost around 75,000 to 1 lakh, and a single chemotherapy session can cost anything between 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Overall, the expenses for cancer can go up to 10 to 15 lakhs. Heart diseases have seen a considerable rise in India in the last few years. Just like cancer, the treatment of heart ailments is an expensive affair. The expenses depend on type of disease and can easily range between 3 to 5 lakhs or even more. In India, 1 out of 10 people suffers from some chronic kidney disorder. As we all know, that dialysis and organ transplant is quite expensive, which makes it unaffordable for larger mass. A kidney transplant costs around 7 lakhs, whereas dialysis can cost you anywhere between 18,000 to 20,000 per session. For a middle class family, the charges are quite expensive and many may find it difficult to bear. Talking about COVID-19, even though the Ministry of Home Affairs capped the COVID hospitalization expense in India for private hospitals, the prices are still too high to bear for an average Indian. The cost of an isolation bed is anywhere between 8,000 to 10,000 per day, and the cost of an ICU with a ventilator is about 15,000 to 18,000 roughly per day. What we have seen in the earlier slides is the actual reality. Let's be prudent and also be prepared by planning accordingly. Please remember, the health insurance coverage should be at least 6 times of your monthly salary or 50% of your annual salary. Though corporate health insurance plans come with certain benefits, they have their constraints too. So the best thing is to buy personal health insurance along with the group health insurance cover. This ensures you and your family are protected from health emergencies no matter what the situation is. Health insurance gives access to quality healthcare and treatment facility provided it is properly planned and taken correctly and not just for tax benefits. Purchasing a health insurance is an integral part of financial well-being. I recommend you to take the quick financial health check to understand the minimum health insurance covered required for you and your family.
I hope through this video you have understood the basics of health insurance. Please watch our next video to understand more about personal and business finance topics. If you find this information useful, please share with your friends and family members. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos. Thank you for watching.